Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to enable higher quality image uploads in the Band app on your phone. If you want your photos to look sharp and clear when sharing with friends or posting on your profile, this tutorial will show you exactly how to adjust your upload settings. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. Then, within the Settings menu, find and select the Photo and Video option. You will find an option labeled Upload Size here. Finally, tap on Upload Size and you will see three options: Normal, Large, and Extra Large. Select the Extra Large option to ensure your images are uploaded in the highest quality. Once you make this change, all your future uploads will retain maximum clarity and detail. Adjusting the upload size in the Band app is a simple way to improve the quality of your shared images. By following these steps, you can make sure your photos always look their best when posted.